Hello everyone and welcome to Excel Remix. In the previous video we learned how to filter data using the filter option. But in this video we will learn a smarter and automatic method, the filter formula in Google Sheets. This method updates result automatically when data changes. So let's start from the basics. The normal filter hides data inside the same table, but sometimes we want filtered data in a new place without changing the original table. For this purpose, we use the filter formula. First, understand the structure of filter formula. The filter formula has two main parts. The range is the data you want to filter, and the condition is the rule that data must follow. Now let's understand this with real example. Suppose we want to show student who scored more than 80 in math subject but in a new area. So start typing the formula is equal to filter select the range from A2 to F, comma, now select the range from B2 to B greater than 80, close the bracket. So here A2 to F is the full table, B2 to B is the math column, and greater than 80 is our condition. Press enter and the filtered data appears automatically. Now you can see when I change a student's math marks, the filter result update automatically. This is the biggest advantage of the filter formula. Let's try another example. We want to find students who scored less than 70 in English. Type the formula in the blank cell is equal to filter select the range from A2 to F, comma, now select the range from E2 to E. Here column E contains the marks of English less than 70. Close the bracket and press enter. So this is how you use the filter formula in Google Sheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Excel Remix. See you in the next video. Thank you.